Hello, my name is Dr. Rodriguez. I'm your science professor. On the iSteam channel, we will discuss different topics of general interest about these fields and how they're interrelated. Today's episode, laboratory equipment. The lab safety coat, the safety goggles, and the disposable gloves are essential safety equipment in the lab. The balance, in grams, are very sensitive instruments used for weighing substances to the milligram level. Beakers are cylindrical glass vessels for mixing, measuring, and pouring liquids. An Erlenmeyer flask features a flat bottom, a conical body, and a cylindrical neck used for heating or mixing substances inside of them. Know the location and how to use the fire extinguisher. A funnel are a tool that is wide at the top and narrow at the bottom, used for guiding liquids or powder into a small opening. A glass rod or steering rod is a piece of laboratory equipment used to mix chemicals. A graduate cylinder used to measure the volume of a liquid. It has a narrow cylindrical shape. A hot plate stirrer called a heating plate is used in research, classroom, or clinics to heat liquids, solid, or glassware. It also allows the mixing of liquids. A magnifying glass or a hand lens is a convex lens that is used to produce a magnified image of an object. The metric ruler is a standard instrument for measuring in the scientific laboratory. On a metric ruler, each individual line represents a millimeter. The numbers on the ruler represent a centimeter. A microscope is an optical instrument that makes an enlarged image of a microscopic object, thus revealing details too small to be seen by the naked eye. Check for future presentations to learn to properly use and care for the microscope. The microscope cleaning paper is soft, dust-free paper that is used for cleaning microscopes, slides, and lenses without scratching the glass. The microscope slides are thin, flat pieces of glass used to hold objects for examination under a microscope. The pH hydron paper is a pH indicator paper exhibiting a series of color changes for substances from acid to bases. Pipettes are tools commonly used to transport a measured volume of liquid or a dispenser. A spatula is a broad, flat, flexible blade used to mix, spread, and move materials. The test tube rack is a laboratory equipment used to hold upright multiple test tubes at the same time. A test tube clamp is an instrument used to hold test tubes, particularly for liquid heating or removing of hot test tubes. A thermometer is an instrument for measuring and indicating temperatures in degrees Celsius. A watch glass is a circular concave piece of glass used to evaporate a liquid or to hold solids while being weighed. A weigh boat is an hexagonal open container, often disposable, used for weighing samples. The well plate is a flat plate with multiple wells used for testing. A dissecting kit, mostly used in biology, contains all the necessary tools and instruments to perform a dissection. I hope this presentation was insightful. Please subscribe and give us a thumb up if you enjoy learning about STEAM. Please also share this channel with someone you think can benefit from or will enjoy the presentations on the iSteam channel. Hope to see you soon.